Alright. Yeah, but it's really small. Come on. Whoa, rudder works good. There we go. Alright, you ready? You ready? Okay, maiden taking off, guys. Let's see what happens, Kai. Oh, it may or may not go.
Should we put it on the...
It's going. Oh, too much.
It's doing aerobatic.
Too much power. Too much power. Go get it. On the runway. No, I think it's okay, but it's got too much power. Torque. Yeah, that was all torque. Is it okay, Kai? Come here. Let's see. Oh. Okay, unplug it. Unplug it. So
How do you fix
it'll go back.
power?
It'll go back. You need to put right thrust. It needs to be like that. So tell your, well, let's go find your dad. We'll tell him. It needs right thrust. Because it was trying to turn to the left all by itself. Even when I had full right rudder, it didn't do it.
Well, at least we know it can get itself up.
Yeah, and maybe a little more wingspan too. Alright.